Katerina can do better looking hair in 10 days. I suggest that you take the Pantone challenge.
I thought my hair was hard to manage, but not tangles. After 10 days, it should smooth.
Use Pantone Smooth and Sleek to noticeably help looking hair in just 6 days.
Caramel or chocolate? Chocolate. Rich, divine, just like Atherton. I can always trust going with Juice Cream. And remember, nourished hair needs enriched with avocado oil, Nutrice nourishes as it colours and gives long-lasting rich colour. And what about Grace? The one's gone. Lovely. The cakes. No. Garnier Nutrice Cream, because nourished hair means better colour. Take care. Garnier. Every goddess embraced the 5-blade secret to 5-star lace. Introducing Embrace from Gillette, the best fingers ever. It's the only 5-blade razor for women, surrounded by a ribbon of moisture that hugs your purse and gets virtually every hair. So now you can embrace dramatically smooth skin. Experience the brilliance of 5 blades.